Hey, welcome back. This is Pandora with Integrative Gardening. Today I thought I'd show you a few plant support ideas, some trellises and stakes and some plant ties and all kinds of things that we're doing here, some of which are do-it-yourself type projects and some we have purchased from various places. So one I'd like to show you first is this really neat trellis. So this one you can use either with 2 panels or in a triangular 3-panel shape. I really like this one because you can use it for a tomato trellis. You can use it to shield the flowers from wind if you have some taller things, like we were using it for the cosmos before. You can use it for a basic trellis for like pea plants. It's really sturdy. And right now we have it over here kind of holding up some of our pepper plants. We just have them kind of squished in between because late in the season they were getting kind of heavy and falling over. So that is that one there. I will have resource links in the video description for you to find some of these things. Now over here I have this. It is actually a tray stand for your patio. I've used it to put bird baths on. I've used it folded like this to just kind of hold up some flowers. And I've used it like this to actually kind of stake up some taller plants like broccoli. This one is interesting. This is an antique look, so it's a replica of an antique style trellis. You can fold it into thirds and use it as a tomato cage like that, or you can use it in kind of a box shape, a zigzag, or as a long style of trellis. I really like that one because it is so versatile on what you can do with it. Okay, next up I'm going to take you around the garden and show you a few more ideas. some metal pipe that was bent on a couple of sides. There's a connector up there in the center, and then it has just a lattice work of strings across. I think this one is a really good do-it-yourself solution, and it tends to just blend in with the plants, and I think it looks really nice. It's been working very well for the gardeners who put this up for quite a few years. And so that is it for today. I hope you found some really good ideas for some trellises and plant supports that you can use in your garden. And again, we'll have some resource links in the video description. I will see you next time. Happy gardening.